Daily use English sentences. Greeting, greeting, greeting. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you. I am so happy to see you again. I am so happy to see you again. I am so happy to see you again. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. What have you been up to? 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 I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you? Wonderful, thank you. Wonderful, thank you. Wonderful, thank you. Saying goodbye. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. See you later. See you later. See you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Catch up with you later. Catch up with you later. Catch up with you later. I hope to see you soon. 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 See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. I am looking forward to see you soon. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. It's been a pleasure. We will speak soon. 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 It's really great to see you. It's really great to see you. It's really great to see you. Catch you later. Catch you later. Catch you later. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. We stay in touch. We stay in touch. We stay in touch. I am really going to miss you. I am really going to miss you. I am really going to miss you. I've got to go now. I've got to go now. Or we can say, I have got to go now. I have got to go now. Making apologize. I am really sorry. I am really sorry. I am really sorry. I am terribly sorry. I am terribly sorry. I am terribly sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Or we can say, sorry, I did not mean to do that. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? I apologize for what I have done. I apologize for what I have done. I apologize for what I have done. I owe you an apology. 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 You can't blame me for this. 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 How should I apologize you? 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 I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. Apologizes, answers. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Or we can say, do not worry about it. Do not worry about it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Never mind. It doesn't really matter. Never mind. It doesn't really matter. Never mind. It doesn't really matter. Or you can say, never mind. It does not really matter. No problem. No problem. No problem. No big thing. No big thing. No big thing. Please don't blame yourself. Please don't blame yourself. Please don't blame yourself. Or we can say, please do not blame yourself. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. I forgave you. I forgave you. I forgave you. No problem, but don't do it again. No problem, but don't do it again. No problem, but don't do it again. I accept your apology. I accept your apology. I accept your apology.